Hi Mark, this is a prototype of the same dashboard I showed you earlier, but this one is for phone. Ensuring portability to the dashboard is also our priority. So this is basically what it will look in a mobile version, and it would be a small gist about it. We will develop more and further once you look at this and you give me a pass that okay, go on. So let's dive in. First of all, as you can see, we have a splash screen here. This is a phone I'm recording from, and then you just click on here. Now you have a login page here, as same as we had on our dashboard. You enter your details, you enter your password, whether you want to show it or not, it's basically up to you. You do the robot check, and after that you click on login. Then you click on login. After that you have your dashboard in front of you. Now in this dashboard, as you can see, we have the same elements, but now you can just access them from your phone itself. You can see how I have a logo up there. I have the profile, so you can also access your profile as you had in the web dashboard. After that you have the menu button. After that you have the whole analytics of the bulk mail campaign report as we had in our main dashboard itself. You can filter it from yearly to other systems as well as we had in our dashboard. You have your new subscribers, total spend, everything written here. Basically just a compact version of the same dashboard we had earlier. Then you have your total members, active members, deleted members, everything here. So basically this is what it looks like in your phone. Ticket support, as we had in the dashboard, you have ticket support here as well. Then you have your early top sales, you have your latest sales. So basically whatever transactions, whatever courses you sold, you have everything here. You can just check it out. You can see all tickets, you can see all sales, everything is there. After that I have one more thing to show, which would be the mailing system. This mailing system was a pretty much tough job to do on phone because we had to put two menus in one section. So the menu you see up there, which I just tapped on, is the normal menu, but the menu you see below there is other menu which will have mailing system components in it. Now after that, as you can see here, we have all these emails which were recently sent to you. You can filter them from important to all other categories as well. Then after you have the same update bar up there, you can customize, you can tell anything you want, you can have it the way you want it. Now as I click on 431 updates, now I am inside the full mailing box. This is basically your mailing system where you mail people, from where you mail people actually. So you have important, you have don't forget to save your work, everything. You have your emails here. Then you have your you can filter it from here: inbox, archived, spam. After that you have favorites, sent, draft. So you can simply filter it if you want to. Then after you have a button called compose, and basically it's a pop-up button down here, if you can see where I'm highlighting. When I click on this button, I get to compose a mail, and I get to do it from my phone itself. Bulk mail system right in your phone. You have from where it's going, which is design@ibanksdirect.com. You can change it if you have multiple IDs or multiple mails in one profile. After that you have the section where you add your mails which will get this mail. Then you add your subject, you add your main content, and you hit send, and it's done. You can attach things from up there, you can have more options from in there. Whatever you want will be placed in there. So this is pretty much it about the compact version, and by the time we will develop more screens, this is just to show you that yes, it can be done in a phone as well, to make it more portable, to make it more easy to have, easy to connect with, and easy to use. Thank you.